Hello everyone, my name is Pranay Aluria. Today I am going to talk about TikTok and TikTok ads. As you would be exploring videos on TikTok, you would see that there are some videos which are being advertised by brands and entities. If you're a brand and entity and how you can run TikTok ads, this video is for you. Do subscribe to my channel and do like this video and do watch the video till the end. If you guys are looking for a Hindi tutorial, the link is in the description below. Let's move to my computer screen and see the complete tutorial and learn TikTok ads now.
Hello everyone. So let's start with TikTok ads tutorial. So first of all, go on Google and write TikTok ads. You see this link, click on this. So we have to click on create an ad. I already have a TikTok account, so it will directly log in. So this is the ad account and this is a business center. So business center is pretty much the same like how Facebook business manager is. So we directly click on the ad account and explore TikTok ads manager. So this is how TikTok ads manager looks like. So we have dashboard, campaign, library, reporting as four main tabs. I had earlier created two TikTok ads to test and see the workflow. Let me start from scratch and show you guys again. So let's click on campaign. Let's create an ad. So as we click on create campaign, there are three advertising objectives through which you can run TikTok ads. One is traffic, if you're looking to send traffic to your website from the TikTok ads. Conversion, if you are looking to drive valuable conversions and actions on your website. And third is app install. So let's say if you have an app and you're looking to promote your app, where you're looking so that the users, while seeing your ad on TikTok, are looking to download the app. That's for you. You can use app install. So let's continue. Let's take traffic as a advertising objective for TikTok ads and test and create ad. So we have to give a campaign name. Let's say give my first TikTok test campaign. So when we click on budget over here, so there are two options, daily and lifetime. So what do you mean by lifetime budget? So let's say if your TikTok ads campaign is going to run for 1 month, and that's your lifetime budget, and whatever budget you want to have for your campaign, so you can put it over here. Let's say you want to put 1 lakh INR, so 1 lakh Indian rupees. So that will be a lifetime budget. If you want to put 20,000, you can put 20,000. Let's say if you want to have daily budget, let's say you want to have daily 1,000, 10,000 INR. So you can put that. Let's move to the ad group. Let's give this name ad group 1. So while creating TikTok ads, there are two options of ad placements. One is automatic placement and one is select placement. So what will happen in automatic placement? If you do not provide any specific placement, like where your ads, TikTok ads will be shown, it will automatically decide. Let's see and click and see what is there in select placement. So there are 5 options where you can run TikTok ads. So there are other sister apps also from ByteDance where you can run TikTok ads, which is Halo, Vigo, Premium Global Publisher Network. It's only available in Japan. Newsfeed app series, which is Top Buzz, Buzz Video, and TikTok itself. So let's say if you want to run ads only on TikTok, so you can uncheck all of these and only run ads on TikTok feed. Now ad details. So we are looking to drive traffic to our website from this campaign. So let's click on website. So it will have to, you will have to put over here a valid URL. So I will put like my website name, my domain name over here, and you have to mention HTTPS for that. So there are advanced settings also into this conversion name. If you do not have a conversion action or conversion name right now, you can skip this. Display name. So let's put it like my name again. Profile image. So yeah, I do have a logo of me over here, which I'm going to insert over here and put it as my, okay, it's going to crop a bit. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So now after we have put the profile image, we have put the link, now comes the category. So category is very effective while running the TikTok ads so that you can choose your category in which segment you want to target people and run your TikTok ads and get the maximum out of it. Let's say if you are an automotive company and you want to sell auto accessories, used cars, so these are the segments which you can use. If you are looking to sell luxury goods, if you are a brand, big brand, luxury brand, you want to sell luxury fashion goods, then you can select this. Finance and insurance for banking and finance and insurance companies. This is very, very important. So this segment is very important and you can choose which particular categories to promote and when to promote and how to promote. And there are a lot of options into this. So you can go really deep and granular and really choose accordingly to your brand and entity what you are looking for from TikTok ads. Let's say if your brand is into food and drinks, let's say you're in organic food. So now after that you can put tags. So the category and tags should be relevant. Let's say, and you can add up to 20 tags over here. So if you are into food and organic food, so you can write food, foodies, organic food, healthy food. So let's say fresh fruit. So all these tags, and you can put up to 20 tags to tell TikTok that okay, these are the kind of audiences I'm looking to target, and these are the ads which I'm looking to run, and TikTok ads will help me get these kind of people. So this is very, very, very useful. This is now coming to user comment. So if user can comment on your TikTok ads or not, you can enable or disable it. So let's say if you do not want people to comment on your TikTok ads, so you can just pause this. Creative type. Next is creative type. So automated creative optimization. So while running your TikTok ads, if you are having different assets, which is different images and different videos, and you want to see and you want to optimize on one, rather than doing it manually, you can do it automatically over here. So TikTok will automatically rotate your ads and will optimize your ads. So this is a great feature in TikTok Ads Manager to optimize your best performing creatives and give you the best value out of your advertisement and definitely from your creatives. Now coming back to targeting, audience targeting. So you can create custom audiences from IDF and GID. So IDF and GID are mobile advertising IDs which are particular for iOS and Android. So each of your phone has a particular ID and that can be uploaded to create lookalike audiences. I will share in detail after the ad creation how what kind of audiences you can create and how can you maximize your ad performance from that audiences. So this is currently optional right now, so but obviously for better targeting and better results from TikTok ads you should be segmenting your audiences and running lookalike audiences. Coming back to demographics, so location is important. So in let's see what's there in location targeting. So let's say if I click on India right now, so these are all the states which I can target from TikTok ads. If I have to run a particular kind of TikTok ads in a city level, I can go granular and do that. So let's say if I am from state of Haryana, I can go to Gurgaon. So my TikTok ads will only be shown in Gurgaon. Now is gender. So male and female you can select if you are looking to target male, if you're looking to target female. When you put no limit as a gender, then it will take both male and female into consideration. It will not take any particular gender. It will show the ads to both. Age limit. So over here you can see segments 13 to 17, 18 to 24, and as you can see the audience size also varies over here as you take any segment. So let's say if you want to show your ads to segment 24 to 34 and 35 to 44, so you need to uncheck this and decide and click on this. So your TikTok ads will be shown only to these segments. If you want to set any particular language for your ads, you can set it over here: English, Hindi, Malay, Portuguese. I'm sure TikTok will be launching much more languages as they expand into multiple geographies, and as TikTok ads enter in 2020 as a platform, TikTok will be adding much more languages. So don't worry. And if your country and language is not here, it will surely be added soon. Now over here, next thing is, so yeah, first of all, let's select the language. Let's say I select Hindi as language. It shows now your audience selection is too narrow because Hindi as an audience plus I'm only targeting one state. So let me not take any language, and yeah, let me just okay, let me just say no limit. Yeah, so the targeting is fine right now. Audience size is completely fine now. Now in interest category. So if your users have an interest in particular category, now the above category was your business category. Now this is to which interest category you want to target. Let's say if you are in organic food, as we have, I mean, we have taken the tags for organic food, but you want to target people from financial services, or you want to target people from beauty and personal care. So let's say skincare. So as people are looking for healthy food, they must be also conscious about their skins and all. So that's why this can be one targeting option you have. You can add much more and test it out. So let's say you create multiple ad groups. One tip, and one thing to test out is you have multiple ad groups, put multiple interest categories over here and test and see what are the numbers and what is the data for your TikTok ad. How is the CPA holding up? How is the CTRs are there? What are the CPCs for your TikTok ads? So that would be really helpful to gauge the performance of your TikTok ads and give you the uh, best result out of it. Next, coming back to device. So as TikTok is a mobile app and it's only mobile app version, so you can target obviously both Android and iOS. And when you click on Android, you can decide whether the user is on Wi-Fi, 2G, 3G, or 4G, or for any iOS for that matter. For any operating system, sorry, my apologies. So for any operating system, you can decide whether you want to show your ad to the person on a Wi-Fi, 2G, 3G, or 4G. Mobile carriers also you can target. Device range, specific range. So if like cost, basically this is a new feature actually right now. So if your device price range, so let's say if you want to target only premium mobile handset users, so you can target from 850 to 1000 plus USD. So obviously then this will be very niche and premium audience which you are going to get. So let's say if you are again if you are a healthy food and healthy food you are looking to target people in healthy food segment, and healthy food uh, are expensive. So you would want to target people and reach people who can buy this and afford these. So this is definitely a great segment to target. Budget. So we had kept a daily budget of 10,000. Now let's see what we can put over here. So it's written 2,000 at least. So if I'm putting a campaign budget of 10,000 daily, my ad group daily budget has to be at least 2,000. So let's keep it at 3,000. Schedule, start, run continuously. If you want to have scheduling, like when you want to show your ad, let's say you want to decide specific time. Let's say if your customers are converting more during the first half of the day and you do not want to show the ads on to them to the second half of the day, you can actually choose it when to run your ads. So this is really helpful, and you can optimize your ads accordingly. Now the next section, which is a very important section, is bidding and optimization. So if when you are running your TikTok ads, you would want to see what your clicks are accumulating to, what are your CPCs. So you would want to run your and bid accordingly for your TikTok ads. So let's say you want to start with lowest, and let's say the platform accepts. So 5 INR per click. So I'm looking to spend 5 Indian rupees per click, and the platform is accepted. So that means there should not be an issue while running TikTok ads, and I can run my TikTok ads at 5 rupees. Now, after that, it's campaign delivery type. So standard and accelerated. So what do we mean by delivery type? So how do you want your ads to be delivered? Like, okay, so standard is at a normal speed that uh, every ad is an ad is shown to the user evenly, it's not shown irregularly. Accelerated, that you want to show your TikTok ads uh, more frequently to the user, and you want to capitalize on your ads performance, and hence you show a lot of ads to the user in a very short time. So that's where accelerated b- uh, b- delivery type comes in. So when you select accelerated, what it will do is it will spend your budget and get the results as quickly as possible. So let's say if you're only looking to run your ad over here day parting only first of the day, and you want to spend your maximum budget and run your TikTok ads uh, only in the first of the day and get results, you should use accelerated. Let's move to the next segment. Oh, invalid device price it's showing. Let's keep no limit. So now we have come to the ads format part. So when you have to run TikTok ads, so you have to consider that it's a video platform, and your video should be very interactive. And if you're only looking to run your video, so these are the specifications or what kind of videos you can run. So 16:9 is your ratio horizontal. So over here there is one option which is create a video. So when you click on create a video, the TikTok ads manager gives you two options to generate video ads. One is use an existing video template, and one is smart video, where you can smartly create your own video ads to be run on TikTok. So let's first see what is smart video. So there are two steps over here. So first is that you select a video material and generate a video. So let's go in detail what is it about. So video ratios are given what kind of videos you can upload over here from video upload or library, and then what kind of video style. So you see TikTok has a lot of fast paced videos, and very some are very peaceful and slow. So there are both options what kind of videos you want to make for your ads. and what kind of video duration you want. Do you want 10-second video ads, or you want 20-second video ads which you want to run on TikTok? So these are 15-second is also there. So three options are there. You want to have a system soundtrack, or you want to have a custom soundtrack from here. So basically, if your video already has a soundtrack and you want to have a secondaries, multiple options are there: ambient, symphony, mix. So these are kind of soundtracks you can put, and you can put video subtitles over here. Let's say if people are not able to hear what your video is talking about because of music and all, so you can put subtitles, and yes, then you can create this ad on use video template. So there are some predefined video templates are there which you can use to run your TikTok ads. Let's say we use this one. So in this you just need to change the image. Let's say what you can do is change this image, and you can have multiple changes in the ad creative, and your ads are ready to run after that. So music you can change everything. You can let's say music, again multiple options over here, same thing, ditto. So over here the templates are predefined. You just have to tweak a bit and add more images or change more images rather than changing an entire video over here, and then you can have a video asset for your TikTok ads. So you can check on this box and save it, and this now just creates the and uploads the template. So once the video ad is created, now we have to have uh, titles over here, text titles which come over here. So we can have up to 5 titles max. So let's say we add our first TikTok ads campaign. We can add our best TikTok ads, and one more TikTok ads 2020, TikTok ads tutorial, add one more TikTok ads in English. So these are the 5 headlines which we are looking to promote. The rest of the template remains the same. So, and when you have to choose a call to action, so it depends on what call to action you want to choose. Contact now, apply now, shop now, learn more. So let's say you choose learn more and click on the submit button, and your ad is created to be running on TikTok. So ad goes into the review, and TikTok takes some time to finally approve the ad and review it. Let's meanwhile in the after the ads are created, let's now go into deeper into some of the segments, which is library. And in library there is an option which is audience. So let's now learn more in detail about audience and how they can benefit your ads on TikTok, and your performance can really be improved in TikTok ads and give you much more beneficial and return on your investments. So let's say let's click on create audience. So after clicking on create audience, you see you can create audiences in 2 ways. So one is create a lookalike audience and create a custom audience. So custom audiences is your own audience which you are creating, and lookalike is made from custom audience. So let's click on custom audience. So now when you want to run your TikTok ads, these are the 4 methods through which you can create a custom audience and target them. So first is customer file. So you can upload your customer list on the platform, and the matches will be created as an audience, and then you can show them ads again on TikTok to remarket, to resell, to lead nurture, whatever you want to do from that. Engagement. Create a list of people who have already engaged with your organic content, the content which you have been posting on TikTok. So when you run TikTok ads on them, the reach and engagement will be higher, and they will stick to your videos and channel much more. website traffic. So you can implement what a TikTok pixel on the website. So what is a TikTok pixel? TikTok pixel is a code which is particular to a particular ad account. It goes on your website, and whatever conditions you put, the audience data is populated, and audience data being populated, which comes into the ads account, and then you can run TikTok ads again on them to show and have make them purchase, make them re-engage, whichever way you want to utilize it. Last is app activity. So TikTok is a platform for apps. It's a mobile only platform, and it's a great platform for app installs and app activities. So let's say if you have your app users and you have their mobile advertising IDs, you can upload them and uh, create lookalike audiences for them, or you can remarket them. If somebody and the people who have uninstalled your app and you have stored their advertising IDs, you can put upload those advertising IDs over here again and can show them ad to reinstall your app. So this is there. After this, one thing is we have discussed creatives already. So is event. So event are like conversion events. Conversion events or events are checkpoints, or you can say the metrics which you want to target and achieve. Let's say you want to go for conversions. So we have already created a test pixel called conversions over here. So what happens is that you have a TikTok ad account code which is particular for ad account. It goes on specific places on your website, such as let's say when some registration is happening. So it will load when registration happens or when somebody converts on your website in terms of lead or e-commerce. So in that case, the pixel gets fired, and pixel then gives you details in the ad account that okay, the pixel is firing and the users are doing this on your uh, website. Now when we click on the create custom conversions, then we can choose which custom pixel to talk about, and then design the events particularly. Let's say I want to have different events based on different user activity on the website. So let's say event on page load. So what is happening when the page is loading? I can give conditions like, okay, the page URL containing, let's say, my website pranayaluria.com, or page domain name, let's say foodie.pranayaluria.com or pranayaluria.organicfood.com. So I can mark my domain which is Pranayaluria, and it will track all the users from that domain name. Page path and referrer. So somebody is getting referred to your website from a particular URL. You can create a condition and show them ads again on TikTok. So TikTok ads platform is evolving, and these features were not there 2 months ago. And you can see that in my other video that the UI is also changed, and TikTok is giving you much more control and much more features to run ads. So TikTok ads is evolving, and which is good to see that they have more features like more global platforms. So coming back to this over here, you have conversion name, conversion type to mention. So there's some predefined conversion types over here. So let's say contact, form submission, click button, view content, purchase, consult. Obviously, you can uh, tweak it and redefine them as per you when you make the changes in the TikTok pixel code which goes in your website. So obviously, you can do that. Data statistical method is basically when the data is calculated. Is it once or every time? So every time the event is occurring, then they are calculating the data. So that is much more accuracy which you can have over here. So this segment is also complete. Let's move to the final segment, which is reporting. So as all the ads platform generate a lot of data, and TikTok ads will also be generating a lot more of data because it's video also, and the reach is also high on TikTok. So because of which you need to see and measure a lot of metrics when your ads are running, and specifically when you are like just started running ads on TikTok, then you should be automating your reports. First thing in the morning, you see the campaign performance, you see the campaign data, and then take a call. So let's say you want to have your TikTok ads reporting based on campaign name, ad group. You want to see platform placement, gender, location. You can put all these filters and have a scheduled report for you guys. There are some core metrics also which you can track and which are going to be important. Like what are the CPCs happening on TikTok? So TikTok CPCs, TikTok CPM, TikTok impressions, TikTok CP are going to be important topics of discussion going forward. Like how advertisers and how entities are getting benefit out of it. Are the cost per acquisitions are very high or very low? Are CTS very high or very low on TikTok ads? So what kind of value does TikTok ads bring? These metrics will tell us in the future. Okay, so this is also done and reporting part is also done now. Let's go to this bell icon, and this is very important because as TikTok ads platform, TikTok ads manager is evolving. So TikTok ads will see a lot of changes in the coming months. I have seen a lot of changes in the last 2-3 months itself. So you need to be updated by the new features which are coming. So as you see this feature, this update came on 2nd of December. So now for individual ad, you can see a preview. Text preview is there. Preview feature is affected by the state of the ad. Only the approved ads can be previewed. So now when your ads are approved, you can preview them. So this is actually such a good feature to have and updates to have. Now you have new events in custom audience. We saw that the custom audience layout was changed. The custom events were changed. So you can see more events over there. Earlier, the minimum budget to run a campaign was $500, which is changed to $50, so which is good because the new advertisers and lot of advertisers would want to come on TikTok platform and run TikTok ads, see the experience, drive value for their business and entity. Because of which now it is possible. So if you are trying to test some budget on TikTok ads and see how do they perform, you should definitely do this. Um, Other tabs over here are approval status. So what is your approval status of your ads? Let's say if you're running a lot of ads on TikTok in a day and you want to see what's the approval status, you can see new features. I've already told announcements is also there. If some import TikTok new ads objective, this was like way back. If there is any other new objective, ads objective, TikTok ads new objective, so obviously they will update over here. Feedback, if you want to provide any feedback to them or the TikTok is looking to provide a feedback to you, they will update it over here. Business Center. So Business Center is pretty much the same like Facebook Business Manager, where you can have access to multiple ad accounts and you provide to access to multiple ad accounts. So if you have multiple Twitter ad sorry, TikTok ads account, obviously then you can have much more control through Business Center. So yes, so guys, we have now seen the entire platform and tutorial, and this as this will be evolving, I will be sharing much more updates. Before ending this tutorial, I would just one thing is pending is the payments part. So sorry, yeah. So for the account you can add money and over here there is a payment option. So I've already added 2100 but my account is not approved yet, that's why I'm not able to run ads. uh, this is going so for individual entities and individual users, the ads are still not available to be running. So you have to be a business which gets approved and then you can run the ads. But still, that's not a problem because that sooner or later is gonna happen. So yes, so I mean this is a complete tutorial on TikTok ad, and this is going to be much more relevant in 2020 also as we move ahead. So this is a very important tutorial, and I will be uploading a lot more of videos on this and how you can scale your TikTok ads marketing and can get the best out of it. So do subscribe and do like my video and keep following. If you are looking for much more detailed courses or much more detailed knowledge on TikTok, definitely I will be sharing my experience. Uh, yeah, that's it for my side.